Alternating current chapter short notes. Alternating current AC phi is equal to n BA cos in bracket omega t plus alpha. Angle between A and B at t is equal to 0. Angle between A and B at t is equal to t. E is equal to BNA omega sin in bracket omega t plus alpha. E naught is equal to peak value of EMF amplitude. I is equal to E upon R is equal to BNA omega upon R sin in bracket omega t plus alpha. E is equal to E naught sin omega t plus alpha. I is equal to I naught sin omega t plus alpha. AC current with charging directions, DC current with no charging in directions. Some mathematical term frequently used in AC. I average is equal to total charge flown upon total time taken is equal to del Q upon del T is equal to integrations I del T upon integration del T. E average is equal to integrations E del T upon integrations del T. P average is equal to integrations P del T upon integrations del T. F average is equal to integrations F del T upon integration del T. RMS value I RMS is equal to under root I square. E RMS is equal to under root E square. Now sin theta full cycle is equal to 0. Sin theta half cycle is equal to 2 pi 2 upon pi. Sin square theta full cycle is equal to 1 upon 2. Sin square theta half cycle is equal to 1 upon 2. If I is equal to I naught sin omega t, I full cycle is equal to 0. I half cycle is equal to 2 I naught upon pi. I RMS for full cycle I naught upon under root 2. I naught upon under root 2. If E is equal to E naught sin omega t, E full cycle is equal to 0. E in bracket E half cycle is equal to 2 E naught upon pi. E RMS for full cycle is equal to E naught upon under root 2. E RMS for half cycle is equal to E naught upon under root 2. If nothing is given about T, then assume it for full cycle, one cycle. Representations of AC supply in circuit diagram. DC supply, AC supply, AC source. घरों में सप्लाई AC घर पैरेलल इन इंडिया घरों में कितना वोल्टेज मिलता है? E इज इक्वल टू 220 अंडर रूट 2 साइन 100 पाई टी. घरों में बिल किस चीज़ का आता है? करेंट, वोल्टेज, पावर, एनर्जी. 1 यूनिट इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोवाट आवर. 1000 वाट 3600 सेकेंड. 3.6 into 10 के पावर 6 जूल. Important of RMS value. H is equal to I square RMS RT is equal to E square RMS ST upon R. I naught sin omega t. E naught is equal to E naught sin omega t. Combinations of SHM. XIE Value of any time t is equal to a sine in bracket omega t plus phi. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. Phase it given informations at any time t. Phase constant it give initial informations t is equal to 0. AC circuit theory purely resistive circuit. I in bracket t is equal to E naught upon R sine omega t. Phase diagram in purely resistive circuit, current and voltage are in the same phase. Purely capacitive circuit, charge on capacitor Q is equal to Cv, X is equal to 1 upon omega C, It is equal to E naught upon Xc, sine in bracket omega t plus phi upon 2, I naught is equal to E naught upon Xc, I naught is equal to E naught upon Xc, I in purely capacitive circuit, cement lead voltage by phase of pi upon 2